Hello, my name is Dr. Patty, and we're talking about beliefs of food. This is belief 5. And so I'm going over irrational beliefs of food, body weight, and eating. This is from a book called The Rules of Normal Eating by Karen Koenig. I absolutely love it, and I base a lot of my practice around kind of looking at beliefs. So I'm in a group coaching class right now, and we went over this last week, and it was so influential. I was like, you know what? When I hop on my YouTube, let me do a 10-part series. So this is part 5. And we're going over today, if you're watching this, the irrational beliefs of food. So out of the 4 categories, we're going to stay in food today. The others are body, weight, and eating. So an irrational belief of food that is pretty common in diet culture is food is love and comfort. So have you ever thought about that? Have you ever turned to food in a state of either abandonment, or you're uncomfortable, or you feel like no one cares about you, or maybe after a breakup, or there's so many different scenarios where we feel unloved and discomfort? Have you turned to food in those cases? And if you have, you might have a belief that food is going to love you the way that you want to be loved. Food is going to provide is going to provide the opposite of what you're feeling. It's going to provide this like cushion of goodness. There's a difference between love and comfort and pleasure. There's a difference between being in pain and wanting to get out of the pain. So the brain operates in 2 ways. We avoid pain or turn to pleasure. And so sometimes we interpret the pleasurable part of food as love and comfort. But love is beyond pleasure, and it's beyond comfort. Sometimes love is the most uncomfortable state because there's a lot of honesty, there's a lot of discomfort in those things. And so food, by definition, is actually fuel and sometimes pleasure. It doesn't love you back, and it doesn't provide the comfort that you're wanting when in pain. Now, if you're in physical pain, if you're in medical pain, typically your digestive system turns off. Typically, appetite goes away. Emotional pain is when food sometimes feels really, really good. And so that would be you're in a uncomfortable emotional state, and you're wanting relief from that. And the brain doesn't want to be in pain, so it's going to turn towards pleasure. And if you have access to food, it's so easy to do. It's so easy to hide in plain sight and eat food in front of people, and you're not doing anything illegal. You're not doing anything wrong. No one will know. You could do it alone and have access to food, and no one would ever know. You can hide the evidence or just not tell anybody. And typically, some of the biggest side effects is your body might change. You might have some sort of GI discomfort. Bodies are constantly changing. But you also didn't get the love and comfort that you really wanted. When you wanted to be held, you wanted to be validated, you wanted to be seen. But if that's hard, or if you're missing that person in your life, food is so easy to turn to. So a reframe of food is love and comfort. Start saying food is fuel and often pleasure. It's not going to provide the connection that our genetic blueprint actually wants. I hope this is helpful. This was part 5 on irrational beliefs of food. Follow for more.